Alright, so in this video we'll test out the Lightning Network, the one-word solution to all the problems the Bitcoin network ever has. So I created using currently like two wallets. I've got the Muun wallet on my phone. I had to pre-fund the account obviously, so I funded the account for now, and it will take forever to get the confirmation. Damn it! It will take forever to confirm the transaction. So I'm already waiting since whatever 20-30 minutes, whatever. So it will take forever also like confirming that. I've got the official Lightning wallet from the project from GitHub, and on it I also pre-funded it with €1. I've got 14 euros, and I will try to send Bitcoin from one wallet to the other. So I'm very curious how that experience is gonna be, but I already hate the waiting. So I will have to wait until the transaction confirms. So that's nothing new, but let's see. All right, so it finally cleared. So I did this transaction like long time ago, but let's get started. So I would like to receive some Bitcoin. So we'll go to Lightning and go to the invest settings, and for example, set a that I want half a euro. So if I would like to do that, I will copy that address here now. I will try to pay it here, and what's gonna happen now? All right, so yeah, I will have to set up the channel apparently, so we'll try that. All right, so we'll try to send now some Bitcoin on chain to my other wallet, so just in case, so they're more evenly balanced. So again, we'll have to pay network fee of €1.50, so that's a lot again, but let's do that here. Okay, great. So now my money's gone. Let's see what else happens here. So I think I don't have enough money on the other account to pre-fund the channel. So that's why I'm saying right now, like I said, Bitcoin from the one wallet to the other one. And let's see what happens. So this will again take probably like 10 to 30 minutes to an hour. We'll see. Alright, so I'm right now in shock and disbelief. So I tried sending apparently €5 to my Lightning, so the Lightning wallet. So it's saying here that I've sent €5, and I can also see the mining fee here, but apparently that was incorrect. So we've got 17,000 Satoshis here, so it's adding that, but apparently either the calculation here is wrong, or I have no idea what's going on. So I guess your calculation is probably wrong. At least I hope so. So we can see here that the transaction is still confirmed, but the amount is claiming €1.65. So or maybe the Muun wallet is wrong. So either one of them is lying to me here. So we'll have to look it up quickly. But I guess it's right now Lightning wallet lying to me, I guess. So right. So we'll look it up a little more. So yeah, the answer is that the Lightning wallet apparently uses some wrong metrics to calculate the euro price. So right now checked it online. So it's claiming here that my 19,789 satoshis are worth a little bit more than that. Okay, well now let's continue. So as we can see, when we go to transaction here, the transaction is still unconfirmed. It might take a while until it happens. So we'll pause the video again and we will see what happens. Even though I know that it's not confirmed here yet, so that the transaction isn't confirmed, I will still try it. So we'll go to receive and go to Lightning and say that I want to get 0.5 euros and copy the address and click on pay, copy that here and try that. And nope, it doesn't work yet. So let's see what it's currently saying. Why did it fail apparently? So we've got, okay. So unable to connect. What else does it host? Okay. We're waiting. Okay. Alright, so lots of logs, so I guess I'm also probably making something fundamentally wrong here, but let's still go on. Okay. Alright. Okay, great. I will now close the logs, and I will wait until it's confirmed, I guess. So until my last transaction here is confirmed. I don't know how I can remove all of these things here. So I one time I tried just creating channels and stuff like that, but they're all in progress and I can't get rid of them, and they're here now. And now we'll wait until this transaction is confirmed, and we will see what happens. So currently, as we can see in transactions here, we can also look into the logs. Oh, we can. Okay, great. So we can still look in the error logs here. So apparently it's still going on, maybe. But yes, I will have to wait. Alright, so in the meantime, we'll try to create a channel manually. So it will, I guess, just get any of these nodes here, latest node updates, latest channel updates. Well, no idea, so we'll just, I guess, well, let's just take a node here, or any node, I guess. We can see the public key. Okay, so let's take the public key and try to open a channel then. And let's say we want to create a channel with 10 satoshis. I hope it works. Does it work though? Nope. Doesn't work because probably, oh no such host. The channel size is too small. I need at least, oh okay, I can read it and it's too fast. So the channel size, I need more satoshis. So I have to pre-fund the channel even more than that. So it's not, I can't just fund it a little bit. Apparently I have to do more. So let's see here how much pre-funding the channel needs. Does it say here what the minimum is? No, does it? Does it not? Okay, so we'll pause again. Alright, so we'll try to create a new channel. This is to AQuinkQ, so I think so this is like, this was on the main page here to see, that's aquinkq.co, so well, let's start with that one here. So I'm now curious if I now can finally create a channel. So oh, my bad, I will again go to Lightning, add channel, I will try for example, oh, no, I think I got it, don't I? Okay, I will try to copy it again then. Right, I will copy that one here. So let's see if I select the channel here, and well, now let's try with 20,000 satoshis. So it doesn't work again. Why? So they want me. So at least let's see what they want here. Blah blah. Okay, it's too fast. I can't stop the logs. I would love to see the error message up there because it would tell me like how much it would need. To fast reading all of that. So we'll stop the stream again, the video again, and we'll go on when things clear up more. Alright, so as we can see here, I made the transaction at 9:05 and I've been waiting over 36 minutes and it still hasn't cleared. So for now, only I've got 2 confirmations on the transaction. So yes, awesome. This is gonna be my longest video it has ever taken me to create, so I wanted to try it, but right now I'm just waiting all the time for anything to happen. But let's see. Alright, for some reason, whenever I rant about it, it's taking forever, so it's finally confirmed. So I've got 3 confirmations and it's confirmed here. Wow, yay. Okay, right. So let's go on. So again, I'm gonna click on receive, go to Lightning Network, click on invoice settings. I want to receive 0.5 euro. Please work, so copy. I will click on pay, paste that here, pay. And again, the payment failed. So I will again have to find out. Unable to connect. What else is it saying here? Blah blah, some stuff. Yay, I have no idea why it's still working. So I will have to find out what else is going on here. Awesome. Alright, so now we'll try to do it the other way around. So we'll request 1000 Satoshis here. You don't have enough inbound capacity to receive this payment. Awesome. So apparently it doesn't work, but we'll still try to do that here. So again, copy that one here, click on continue, and the symbol has been paid. It was per private node. It can't be reached. Okay, right. So I have to somehow create a channel so it's not working intuitively. But again, I will try one more time with just 1 Satoshi. You don't have enough inbound capacity to receive the payment. Yay. Alright, so we'll go on here at 1 ml. So we'll again try to create a channel with any of these nodes here. So I've got, for example, here a node. I hope it's not the minimum, so a Newtown node 1. So let's try it again here. So we'll try to create a channel. So maybe I'm able to do that here somehow. So again, I click on Lightning node, create, add, oh, my bad. I'll paste it here. I will do with 20,000 Satoshis. I hope that's enough now. And creating channel failed. And why did it fail again? Oh, I hate this log. Come on. Okay, we'll copy the log again. Okay, well, I copied now the log so I can scroll over it without having to look. Okay, right. So what's this saying here? Unable to connect. Okay, what else is it trying to do here? What is the balance? Balance. Does it somewhere tell me how much I need in funds? Alright, no, it doesn't tell me anything. Okay, so I'm gonna try it one more time. So come on, please work. 20,000 satoshis, come on. And now I'm gonna try it with another node again. Maybe we'll find one that has a lower limit. It would be awesome. So we'll click on whatever top capacity nodes. Yeah, well, I'm gonna click on that one then. So so we'll copy that one here again. I can see the channel count and stuff like that. The color. So am I now able to enter that here and say done? No, I'm not, because I'll quickly copy that. Okay, I copied it already. Let's try it again. And maybe I'm able to find out what's going on here. Creating channel failed. Unable to connect to blah blah. Peer set unknown, feature bits, whatever. Okay. So I'm still going over it and trying to figure out what's not working here. Okay. There's the total funds. Is there something about the minimum? No, there's not. So I will have to try again and again. So we'll pause the video again. Alright, so you can hear it in my voice, but I'm right now super duper pissed and I'm really getting sick of all of this. But I'm still determined to try it, so I want to use Exodus. But I installed the Zap desktop wallet here, so I will send the payment here on chain to this thing here. Now I will again pay a huge fee. I will try to send max here. Ah, awesome. Yep, insufficient funds available for this transaction. Cool. So we'll try to do it with that amount here. And I can still do it, so we'll try it with 20,000. And I guess nothing works. Awesome. So I can't really tell you what I'm doing wrong here. Ah, cool. So it's just having lots and lots of errors that I can't do anything here. The channels don't work at all, and I just want to get to send basically on chain, so on the Bitcoin blockchain, to send my satoshis to this address here. But it doesn't seem to work at all, and I don't really know what I should say. So we'll try to recover 5,000. Oh, cool. Yeah, the fee is 11,000. Okay, cool. Yeah, well then I can send the difference apparently. So we'll try to do that now. So 11,000, obviously we will try to send like 17,000, something like that. So again, 17,000 satoshis, so my funds are almost gone. Oh, no, I can't do that, so even less, 16,000. No, it doesn't allow me to do that. 15,000, nope, nope, apparently also not. So cool, nope, I'm not allowed to do that. No, it's much more expensive than that. Okay, can I recover 9,000? Oh yes, I can recover 9,000. Okay, yeah, the fee is 20,000, so why not? Yeah, cool. Woohoo! So out of the 29,000, already 20,000 satoshis are dead again. Okay, done. So finally my wall is empty, so I can get rid of that one here. And I will wait here now until all of that is confirmed. So I guess it's again a waiting game, and I'm still trying just to do one transaction over the Lightning Network, but it's getting very, very annoying. But okay, let's see. So the waiting game continues since I just did the transaction, so I guess it's another half an hour to even get started, but we'll see each other later. Awesome. Alright, so I can finally continue. So now for 9,000 satoshis, I've lost lots of a balance. I initially put up like 20 euros. Now I'm at exactly 10 euros, so half of my euros already gone in transaction fees. But let's go on. So we can see here that I will have to create a channel. So let's do that now. I can click on create. I will create with the zap node here. I've got 9,000 satoshis. Oh, not 1,000, but 9,000. I can see here the US dollar amount. Go to next. So, okay, cool. Yep. So apparently the user interface of that app is much better and it's much more user friendly. So I can open the channel. Oh, yep. The Muun is 20,000 satoshis, and the great thing is I don't have 20,000 satoshis since they've all been burned in transaction fees. Awesome. So I probably can open here. So we'll try again. I will click on the receive, but probably it won't work because because Yes. Once I receive capacity of 0 satoshis. Okay, cool. So, right, so we'll probably have to send on chain again some satoshis to this wallet and pay ridiculous high transaction fees. But cool, why the hell not? Okay, great. So we'll go to receive again. I meant like we'll click on my Bitcoin address. So where is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's awesome. And then we're ready. There it is. My bad here. So we'll go to copy address, send. So if I try to send to that address again, how much is it going to charge in fees? So we'll try to change this to Satoshis again. Bitcoin BTC, right? Can I change it to Satoshis? Set. Nope, I can only send Bitcoin. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. So we'll stay with Euro apparently. We'll try to send 4 euros again. But how much can it? I can't even see how much it is in Satoshi. So cool. Yay. Okay, so I don't really know what to say here. So I guess I'm gonna send half or whatever. So well, for safety reasons, I'm gonna send more than that. But the other account will probably also have to be connected. But again, I will try it again. Cool. So the network fee is apparently only 57 cents, but let's see. So we'll try to send it to that account wallet address here. So apparently it worked. Okay, cool. So now I have to wait again to receive the other, last few of a Bitcoin I've got here. The rest already died in transaction fees. And I will pause the video because it's gonna take a while again to confirm all of that. Alright, so it has finally arrived. Right, so let's go on. So I've got 11 euros left, so let's go on. So I will go to channels, create. I will create a channel with Zap. I will have to at least use 20,000 satoshis, so we will use, well, let's use all, maybe let's use all my 25,000 satoshis on slow, so I don't have to pay. Oh shit, 24 hours. Huh, cool. Right. So I will go to fast because it's 102 satoshis per byte. So it will probably also be very expensive, but let's try it now, I guess. So can I change the fee later, or how does it work exactly? I have no idea. So okay, we'll go to fast in here. Well, yeah, let's try it. Why not? Okay, so let's go to next. So we'll use almost 26,000 satoshis. Okay, next. Okay, so I configured it. Oh, right. So that's the fee here. Okay, so I will open the channel. Ah, cool. Channel unable to open channel. Not enough witness output to create funding transaction. Okay, so let's try it again. So probably when I open the channel, I have to also exclude the fee from the creation, I guess. So we'll try it with 20,000 and click on fast again. Maybe now it works. Nope. What does it say here? Right, so we'll try it again. I'm right now still very annoyed because I can't believe that it doesn't work, so we'll go to medium then, I guess. 20,000 satoshis, next, open. No, it doesn't work either. Don't have witness outputs to create funding transaction need. Right, but you only have 267. Okay, right, I will have to go to slow and have to continue the video tomorrow, apparently. Wow, awesome. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Okay, so we'll go to slow. Next, maybe that one does work. Okay, yes, it does work, but it will have to wait an entire day to open the channel. Oh my god, nah. Cool. So we can't go on here because it will take forever until it gets processed. So cool. Yeah, the fee is 16 US dollars here. But right, so maybe medium would have worked, but I don't know. Wait a second, just to check, compare the fees here. So yeah, it's from 2 to 82. So yeah, cool. And it was charging me apparently. Oh, as we can see here, it would be 2. Oh, right. So we can just check that quickly. So we can find out how much it would have been though. So it was 2 and it was charging 442, meaning it was 220. So it was calculated times 221. So I would have had to have at least well, 221 times 82 satoshis. I would have had to pay 80,000 if I would have selected here medium. But like I said, so opening a channel is very expensive. May probably. So 18,000 satoshis. So that's to euro. We have to quickly do that again here. So if you want to open a channel fast, then you have to pay. Isn't that cool? So for medium speed, so if you want to open a channel in, oh wait a sec. Oh, right. So this is not quite correct here. Does it still have to? Oh, right. Ah, okay. Wait a sec. I have to change here though. I found another one set Satoshi to euro converter. Right, so it's a drone one, why not? Okay, cool, then let's go on here. So let's change to Satoshi, and if I would have to pay 18,122, I would have to pay €5 if I would want to open a channel within 3 hours. Cool. If I want to do it quickly within 30 minutes, it would be, as you know, 221 times that one here. So whatever. We've got 221 times 102. We would have to pay 22,542. 20,542, so almost €6. In the US, that would be like $7 or something like that. So that is unbelievable. So again, I'm right now waiting for the channel to open up. So I will have to wait up to an entire day to even open the channel. I can't even use it. It's gonna be waiting. So I can't even finish the video here. So cool, awesome. All right, so I will have to pause the video again. As you can see, it's already like 10:45 a.m. and I'm still not done with this thing here. So we'll pause it now, and I will continue tomorrow. Alright, so before I give up for today, since the channel is still being created here, so we can see that I must still admit, so the Zap interface is very user friendly and I like it. So you can see here that I'm currently have one channel, trying to create one channel. So if we go to manage, you can also see it here that the creation is pending here. But one thing I will still have to try is if I already can use it. So you can see here, I again clicked on receive. I want to use Lightning. I want to also add an amount of 0.5 euros. I will confirm that. I will copy now the address here. I click on pay. I will copy and paste that. You can see here these are 1,712 satoshis here. Okay, so the fee is about 1,000 satoshis. So up to 1,000 satoshis. So can I send it? So I'm right now trying to send it, but it doesn't work obviously since my balance is still low. All right, so I will continue tomorrow. So as we can see here, that I'm currently stuck here and can't do that because I have to wait almost an entire day until that channel gets opened and created. And right, so far my experience has been not very pleasant. So all the waiting and not the normal lightning wall not working. The Zap wall seems to be looking good, but now I'm still stuck at the part that all the transactions took me, so the Bitcoin transactions themselves took forever. I've almost paid €10 in fees for just testing, and I also, so the thing I'm trying to do is here saying microtransactions, and all of these are big nodes more or less. But let's see. So I'm still waiting for the channel now to create. Let's see when it's going to be created. So at some point tomorrow. And until then, I will have to wait and do something else because, yeah, so far, unpleasant experience. And also, if we quickly look at the Lightning Network, we've got a few nodes, so which have lots of channels, but then it's falling quickly. So we can see that there are many very small nodes. So we've got more or less. There's also a paper on that. I could also link that, quoting that we've got basically it's highly, not highly, but to some extent quite centralized because we have some nodes connecting everything and many nodes which don't have that many connections at all. And right, so see you tomorrow. Alright, so now we're at the next stage. So after waiting for until this channel has been created, we're finally back. It's 12 p.m. on the next day. So let's see. Okay, so the channel is funded. So like I said, the UI is very user friendly. I like it a lot. So at least in the Zap wallet, so you can see here that oh, god damn it, no, what? No, it's still pending. Seriously. So I will still try it though, but apparently it's still pending. Okay. So I will go to Lightning again. I will try to change the invoice settings to 0.5. Yes. I will go to copy that. I will try to pay now. Do you pay this invoice here? Send the satoshis. Okay, so now it's apparently loading, processing. Okay, let's see. So it's processing for a long time. Okay, cool. So now let's wait. Yep, I will pause the video again and we'll see when something happens. Alright, so let's try it the other way around. So I will go to receive and I want to receive 10. Oh, cool. No, we still have to wait apparently. Cool, cool, cool. So if I want to request it, no, bandwidth exhausted. Oh, cool again. So obviously can send it apparently because our route, because we can find the route. So because that one is not in Latin network probably yet. So, but bandwidth exhausted. So apparently I already exhausted bandwidth. Okay, cool. So again, it's probably gonna be a waiting game, I guess. I will try to restart the Zap wallet now. Maybe that will change something. So let's restart it. And then I will have to find out why it's still working. So okay. Right, so it's I guess okay. So go to receive. I want 10. Okay. Okay. Cool. So we can still see, I guess, because the channel is still created. So we'll continue when the channel is finally completely created. So I guess it will still take. Oh, what? So you're offline. Cool. Okay, now I'm really get it. I don't know. It's like it's getting more weird by the second. Okay. I just want to receive one Satoshi. Okay. Mm. If we go again to channels and go to manage. Oh, yes. So the channel apparently now says online. Okay, at least there's that. Okay, cool. So it can still go on. So apparently maybe just finished right the second, or I don't know, maybe it was just a displaying bug. So apparently it does work. But now we'll try to receive one Satoshi. Why is the request capacity 0? I don't understand it. Yay! But let's go on here. Okay, right, I will copy the invoice now. I'll go to send. I will try to send that one here, continue. And it's going to be paid. The invoice is created by a private node. Can't be reached. Reach the invoice must include extra data route hints. Can I include route hints somehow? Probably not. Okay, awesome. Hmm. Cool. So I will have to find out how I can do that now. And I will try it one more time the other way around. So we'll try to receive, but probably because that one doesn't have a channel as well, it won't work. But I'm just curious because why it's not doing anything since it's even on turbo channel. So I don't know trade-offs of turbo channel. So that it's somehow connected or whatever, but apparently not. But let's try it one more time. So we'll go to receive. I will copy the address now. I will try to paste it there. Ah, oh, what? Okay, so I have to create an invoice still. Okay, confirm. I'll copy the address again one more time. Okay, then I'll try that one here again. Would be really awesome if it would work. But it's probably gonna be the same problem here. Yep, there was a problem. And all possible routes tried, all and failed permanently. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. So right now I'm still trying to figure out what exactly is the problem here. So I guess because this wall is not in the doesn't have a connection to node, so there's no channel, it's not connected on any way, but it's like quite perceptive that I can't even try to receive something here because it has receive here, and I don't know, yeah. So I hope that it would be like easier. So, but the example seems to be quite fine. But yeah, it's a catastrophe because right now I can't really tell what I should do here. So right, cool, cool, cool. So as you can see here, when you manage a channel, you can see the number of updates, you can see the time log, you can close a channel. Right, nodes fee balance, local channel reserve amount, and so on. So there, it's yeah, very cool. We'll still have to try figure out how we can now send XRP, send Bitcoin. Alright, so we'll try to receive a payment one more time. So we'll request one Satoshi again. I'll copy the invoice here. We'll try to send it from the other account here. Continue. But also invoice can be paid was created by a private node, and yay, doesn't work. So I will have to try to figure out right how I can do that. So cool, very cool. So we'll try it with a different invoice of older one, but this will probably also not work. Nope. And awesome. So I don't really know what to do now since I've tried it and I apparently okay, it's above your minimum the maximum one time receive capacity of 0 trophies. Cool, that doesn't also work. I still was able to create those requests though. And like I said, if I try to receive something, whenever I try to do that here, if I want to add the invoice and set a certain amount here, and try to copy the address here and try to pay with that one here, then the fee unknown. Okay, right. So here is the thing still. Here the thing is obviously that it's still that is not probably the channels created and stuff like that. But apparently this should be done automatically, but it doesn't. So no route, yeah, it's fine. So like I said, this one here doesn't have a channel yet. So I guess I will have to do that, and probably it also needs more funds. Alright, so perfect. So as you can see here that as you take an easy top up your lightning node from your phone using Muun, just generate an invoice of 150,000 satoshis from your node and pay it with Muun. For extra secure, we suggest to extend the expiration time for your invoice to 2 hours, okay. This is actually sending is a submarine swap, blah blah. And right. There are two aspects of this use case that makes it different to other Lightning payments. In Muun, the amount being sent is probably larger, 150,000 satoshis, and so we can quickly translate that. So how many euros is that? So let's quickly convert that. Alright, so what was it? 150,000. I will change it to Satoshi. Oh, right, so we'll have to remove lots of zeros here. So, cool. The minimum we have to invest here or use is 45 euros. Okay, awesome. So, cool. The destination was probably less connected to Merchant or Lightning app. Cool, because of this channel. Blah, Muun will automatically open channel. Do you know that you will receive the money off chain? The result is that you will top up your node, gaining an outbound capacity. Wow. Awesome. So I can't even test the feature because I would have to invest even more than that. So I think this wraps it up for now. I will have to, like I said, use more money than that. I thought I would be fine with like 30 euros invested into quote unquote invested in a Bitcoin and trying to do that, but apparently I need much more. I have to reach far deeper into the pockets to even test the feature because, like I said, I wanted to just try it out, test it a little bit, but apparently I don't have enough funds right now on this to even create the channel. So the minimum requirement apparently here is 150,000 yeah, Satoshis. So I will do it some other time. I will wrap up the video and I will, like I said, will fund the accounts and maybe try it some other time. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.